Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the problem sort colors. We're given an array of integers 0, 1 and 2. We have to sort this array in place without using any built-in sort function. There are, I think, two main ways to solve this problem. The easiest to understand and to come up with, I think, is to just use a counting sort. We can count how many times a 0, a 1 and a 2 appear in the array, and then after that we can overwrite the original array, right, because we have to solve this problem in place, with corresponding numbers. So first the zeros, then the ones, then the twos. And after all that, we do not have to do anything. Now the nums array is overwritten, and that's all that we need to do. And another approach that we can use is similar to the pivoting, partitioning, things that you can do in quick select or quick sort, where an operation that you can do in those algorithms is that you select some element that you want to put in its proper position, and then to put it in its proper position, you go from the left and from the right of the array, right? So you have an array. You go from the left, you go from the right, and now, for instance, let's say that you want all the smaller elements to be to the left of it, all the larger elements to be to the right of it. Then whenever you see that an element on the left is smaller than the pivot element, or the element on the right is larger than the pivot element, then you just move the corresponding bound inwards until they meet. And if at some point you cannot move those bounds inwards, that means that this number is too big and this number is too small, so you can swap them and move both the bounds inwards by one step. And after that, when they meet at the position that your element should be. All the smaller ones are to the left, all the larger ones are to the right. So you can use that pretty natural idea to solve this problem, and it's actually easy to do so, since you have only 3 different values. So you will be maintaining this left and right pointer, and also another middle pointer. So you have 3 pointers for 3 values that you have in your array. And then you can just think about the logic and implement it, how to move those pointers such that whenever 2 elements are in wrong order, then you have to appropriately swap them, appropriately update the pointers. And if you're interested in that solution, then you can see here the details, or you can come up with them yourself, because this is just, you have this pointer k that goes from the beginning until it meets the right pointer, so the pointer of 3s, and you have to write what happens if it's currently pointing at a 0, a 1, or a 2. And that's it.